back to my channel. So in today's video I have a week in my life, kind of a weekly vlog, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go and do my makeup now because I look disgusting. Okay, a little OOTD. My room looks disgusting, so don't mind that. I'm wearing these jeans from Bershka. I'm wearing this sweatshirt from H&M. My scrunchie is from Brandy Melville. And yeah, my necklace is also from Brandy Melville. I just need my phone. My power bank. Oh, this is fun. I am so late, but what's new? I'm meeting up with my friend Milou. Her name is like really Dutch, so really hard to pronounce in English, but I haven't seen her in like over a year. I really think the last time I saw her was Sean on the Eliminate World Tour, which was the 1st of May 2017. So that's like a year and a half. Really excited to see her again. Between the both of us, be mine, yeah. Anytime, anytime. I forgot my headphones. Hey. Hi. Hi. Cute. Hi.
Yeah, but real.
Yeah, but real. Hello.
Oké, let's. Oh nee, dat mag je er echt niet in doen.
And we just got tickets for us. So we're going to his concert tonight and I'm so excited!
A wild Milou appeared. Whoa! So close but so far away. Who are you talking to?
Charlie!
Hi Charlie! You don't know who I am, but hello! You're in the vlog now.
You're in my vlog. Oh, my phone is about to die. I think it's dying. Mijn phone, ja, mijn telefoon gaat dood. Powerbank.
Ik heb een powerbank, ik haat mijn leven.
Ik heb er 3.
It's Milou, Milou's back! Yay! Oh, ik sloeg je in je gezicht.
It's impossible to say no, and I'm losing.
So it's a couple of hours later. I'm at a train station 45 minutes away from my home, trying to look for my mom because she's picking me up here. I feel so bad for her because she had to drive all the way here to pick me up. There are no trains going any closer to my home. I'm gonna call her right now. It's like 1 AM now and I will be home at like 2 AM and I have a driving lesson at 8:40. So that's fun. The show was really good and we met him and he was so sweet to me. Like, oh my god. Hi guys, okay, this is a quick update. It's now Tuesday. I got home at like 2 AM last night from Amsterdam. Then I had a driving lesson at 8:30, so that was fun. Then I had to work from 11 AM to 5 PM. And now I'm about to have dinner and then go to handball. And then I'm gonna go see my grandparents. And then I need to go home because I need to pack. And then leave for Lisbon tonight. Well, actually in the morning. Actually in the middle of the night. It is almost 5 AM. We were actually supposed to leave, but we're late because I'm late, obviously. My bag, I have my phone, I have my camera bag, and my headphones. Jewelry and watches such as Cincy and every other. We are in Lisbon! I'm so excited, oh my god. Yeah. Another vlogger. So we're currently in Lisbon and I'm so awkward. This is so awkward. My mom is getting food right now and I'm so excited. Like, look how cute this looks. That's so adorable, like what? The flight was like 2 hours and it was fine. I just listened to music. I did some college work and yeah. I am really tired now because I slept for 3 hours. But yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? We're gonna go look for Brandy Melville and a lot of other stores. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm hungry now, so hope my mom comes soon. Yeah, nice. This is so cute, but it's so big. Like, oh my god. But, like, I don't know, man. Like, I think it's really cute, but it feels so big. But it also kind of doesn't. Like, I don't know. We're shopping, but we can't really find anything. When I think about you, baby, when I think about you. We are in Primark right now, and they're actually really cute things. Yeah, I know exactly what they just said. Portuguese is so hard.
Die bracht nog 2 andere rampen met zich mee.
We just finished biking through the city and it was fun. And now we're gonna go do something else. Did you think it was fun?
Yes.
I bought something at Milou again.
Ik belde die vrouw later op, nou, want de mail is mij helemaal onbekend. Zij werkte dus op die ambassade hier in Lisbon.
Thank you. Yep, I got that. We are on our way back to our hostel. Fun. Today and yesterday were kind of stressful. I'll do a story time later. And yeah. They're pointing at me. Hello! Welcome to my crib. Oh my god.
Please note the nearest exit to you, which may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt inside the metal end into the buckle, to secure, pull on the loose end of the strap, and to open lift.
Ja, dat doen nog veel anders. Zij bezig worden wat.
Hi guys, so it's Sunday now and this will probably be a really weird ending to this video. So in this vlog I briefly mentioned that it was kind of stressful in Lisbon and I didn't really give that an explanation, so that's what I'm doing right now. So we were in Lisbon from Wednesday to Saturday. On Thursday my mom, her wallet got stolen and that wasn't so fun. I could still pay for things and my mom could like send me money so we could like do stuff. Money wasn't the big issue. But my mom, like, it was sad because like all my mom, her cards and everything was in there. But my mom, her like identity card was in there and we had to fly home on Saturday, you know. So that was really stressful. So first we had to call like the bank to like block the bank card and stuff like that. So then we had to find the police department to report like the missing wallet. That sounds really stupid, but you know what I mean, probably. Then we had to call the embassy to ask for like an emergency document, identity card or like passport. So we called them. They gave us this email where we had to send a copy of my mom's ID card, a copy of the police report, a copy of our flight details. And in the morning my mom woke up really early and she found out that we got an email at 4 AM that the email didn't send. So my mom went on the internet, I was still sleeping, and she found this other email from the embassy and she sent the exact same email to that email address. And then we called them again because we didn't know what to do, we were stressed. And they gave us another email. But both of those emails were not right. The email my mom found on the internet, that was the one that was right. Half an hour after my mom sent that email, we got a call and they were like, you can come to the embassy at like 12. So we had to take photos, like, how do you call that in English? I don't even know. But like photos you get on like your passport and stuff. So we went there, we got the emergency document, we could still fly home yesterday night, and oh my god, it was stressful, but you know, we made it, so I want to try to do weekly vlogs more, and then they hopefully be more fun, because I really don't think this is fun to watch. I ended up making a separate vlog for Amsterdam, so that's why the Amsterdam part is actually also really short. With that being said, I'm just going to end this video because I really don't have anything to say anymore. Anyways, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, I look so ugly. Oh my god. Bye.